Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about Aquarius Ascendants and Resolution 2021. Which type of resolution you need to perform in 2021 to improve your finances, your career, your self-respect, your family life, relationship with your elders, relationship with your family. If you follow my video and if you follow my video and you listen your ascendant sign, if you have Aquarius ascendants, if you are born in Aquarius ascendants and you listen my video being a Aquarius ascendants, then you will definitely do some achievements, you will definitely do some wonders in 2021 if you follow my resolution. So Aquarius ascendants for 2021, resolution number 1, don't take any risk, don't give your money to anyone. Try to be careful while spending your money. Some over expenditures will irritate you. Your savings and your unexpected expenditures will irritate you. You will be a part of any litigation. Don't be a part of any litigation. Don't argue with anyone. Don't try to doing anything wrong related to government. Don't try to do anything pending related to government. Paid your tax on timing, paid your installment on timing. Aquarius, this year 2021 is not very promising for you. You will face a lot of challenges, you will face a lot of hurdles, you will face a lot of up and downs. Mentally you are not stable, you are feeling very less energy, you are getting confused and you are getting disturbed because year 2021 Jupiter Saturn, your ascendant Lord transit in your 12th house with Jupiter. From 1st January 2021 to 6th of April 2021, Jupiter-Saturn conjunction is in your 12th house. It is not very good transit in your 12th house. Your unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Some government-related trouble you will see. If you are already any type of involved in any type of cases or any type of litigations, you will definitely see lot of hurdles and tensions. There is a strong chances you may get involved in any type of police government related troubles in 2021. Aquarius, be humble, do your best and good. Don't give false commitment to anyone. If you committed anything false to anyone, you will be a part of any litigation. Your money will be wasted in 2021. Some over expenditures will irritate you. Your savings are down and your expenditures are upside. You need to be careful while spending your money in 2021. Resolution number 1, Aquarius for 2021. Resolution number 1 for you. Don't take risk. Don't invest your money anywhere. Resolution number 2. Resolution number 3, don't involve in any type of arguments, any type of don't be a part of any problem. Try to avoid any type of arguments with family members, with seniors, with neighbors, with friends, with near and dear. Otherwise you will be in a deep problem. Try to pay your taxes on time. Try to pay your installments on time. Jupiter Saturn is in your 12th house. Unexpected expenditures. Don't try to spend your money without any reason. Don't spend your money. You may spend your money on hospitalization. Someone from your family or someone maybe from your family may hospitalize in 2021 and you spend your lot of money on medicine, treatment, and so it's better you go for some charity. It's better you donate some money to any needy people who is already in hospital, or you try to give some medical help to anyone before start 2021. And after start 2021, after January 2021, you again do this remedy. It will be a very promising for you, for your health, for your family members' health. I repeat, this remedy must go for medical help to any needy people. Must go for any medical help, or you try to do some type of charity. A person need any medical help, you must go that side. You will see much relaxed and better. This whole year 2021 you will be mentally uncomfort. Your investments are not going to give fruitful result. You will face lot of troubles, hurdles. Your mind is unstable. You are not feeling in comfort zone. You are always in a tension and depression. Because 2021 create lot of challenge, lot of obstacles, delay, hurdles, and this time you will face lot of up and down. especially 1st April to 6th of from 1st April 2021 to 6th of April 2021, you will face a lot of challenge, hurdles, unexpected expenditures. Money matters will be in a worst side. Whatever you expect from your investments, you never get good results. Someone may cheat you. Don't put your money as an investment anywhere in 2021 from 1st January to 6th of April. After 6th of April, Jupiter enter in your first house. Your whole game will be changed. You will be enjoy a lot of monetary gains. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. You will enjoy a lot of partnership opportunities. Your health will be fine and you will enjoy a lot of money. Some multiple source of money will make you happy. Your savings will again rise and you will be in a great comfort zone. If you are unmarried, you may meet your companion. You become married man or woman after 6th of April to 14 September 2021. This whole time, you need to invest your money anywhere. But in 2021, because your ascendant lord is in 12th house, you need to take care of your health. After 6th of April 2021, you will be in a far better position. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your old investment give you fruitful results and your health will be fine. You enjoy a very good moment with your family and friends. 2021 will give you lot of gains, success. But after 6th April to till 14 September will be a good time for you. Before 6th April and after 14 September, you don't invest your money, don't trust on anyone, don't be a part of any litigation. Aquarius, if you follow all these small guidelines, you will definitely grow in 2021 and you will see a big miracles in your life. Year 2021, especially Aquarius, I will suggest you one small worship. If you follow this worship, if you do this chanting, you will definitely grow a lot in your struggling days. Remedy number 1, must read Goddess Kali Chalisa every night before sleep. Must read Goddess Kali Chalisa every night before sleep 3 times minimum. Mantra number 2, Om Gan Ganapataye Namah, Om Gan Ganapataye Namah, Om Gan Ganapataye Namah. Chant this mantra 108 times, 121 times, 151 times, or 221 times, 251 times. More you chant this mantra, more you achieve the things. You will feel much relaxed and positive in 2021 after chanting this mantra and after read Goddess Kali Chalisa. Don't read Goddess Kali Chalisa in a day. Try to read in after sunset before you sleep. Aquarius, this year 2021, try to pay your taxes or installment on time. Don't do anything wrong which is not in your limitations. Try to do every activity in your limitations, restrictions. Make your boundaries. Don't cross that boundaries in 2021. If you are going to invest your money, if you start any new business, then 6th April 2021 to 14 September 2021 will be a good time for you. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. You will enjoy a lot of monetary gains. Success are there. You will enjoy a lot of good things. Must read Kali Chalisa at night before sleep and must read this mantra, Om Gan Ganapataye Namah, Om Gan Ganapataye Namah, Om Gan Ganapataye Namah. More you chant this mantra, more you achieve the things. Aquarius, be careful and alert about your health. Be careful and alert about your parents' health in 2021. Follow all these small guidelines. You will definitely rock. I repeat your resolution again. Don't trust anyone. Don't invest your money anywhere in 2021 before 6th April 2021. And number 3, don't be a part of any arguments or any litigation. Don't be a part of any fight. Try to be calm and humble. God is check your patience, because this year will bring a lot of up and downs. You will face. Mentally you are unstable, uncomfort. But if you do all these remedies, small remedies and worship and chanting, you will definitely achieve a lot of milestones. Stay positive, stay happy. I'm praying for a happy future, and I'm praying for your long age of your parents. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar. Jai Hind.